In Python, the log function of the math module does the logarithm of a number. So we will, from math, import log. Wonderfully, log allows you to specify the base of the logarithm you want to do with the second argument. If we print log of 100 base 10, that prints out 2 as a float, meaning log base 10 of 100 is 2. If we print log of 64 base 2, that prints out 6 as a float, meaning log base 2 of 64 is 6. Do note, log is not defined for numbers less than or equal to 0, so don't try to work with those values in the log function. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.